Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and today I'm here to make a quick video, I promise, of the reason why I returned my Galaxy Watch back to Best Buy. There are two reasons that I returned my watch. One, it was not charging properly, and two, it was not reading the steps nor the BPM information correctly, meaning it wasn't up to date. So what I noticed in regards to charging issues was when I placed the watch in the cradle, it flashed red. Now, most of the charging cradles that I'm used to, when you place the watch on the charger, it is a solid red, and then it goes green once it's fully once it is fully charged. What I noticed, mine was just flashing. And I thought at first maybe it was something new to the Galaxy Watch, and I didn't think anything of it. But there's been a few mornings where I have woken up to put the watch on, and it's like 37% charge. And I think that the charging cradle was discharging the watch. So what I did, just to see if it was possibly the watch or the charging cradle, was that I took the charging cradle of the Gear S3 Frontier watch and I placed my Galaxy watch on that, and it actually charged. It went red and then green when fully charged. So then I placed this Gear S3 Frontier on the charging cradle of the Galaxy watch, and there was no charging. It just didn't charge. So it most likely was a faulty charging cradle. But what made me fully turn the watch back was that it was not properly updating the pedometer or the beats per minute, and the only way that I could get it to update properly was by turning the bezel of the watch. Now, I had the Gear S3 Classic, and at no point in time did I ever have to rotate the bezel for it to update the steps or the beats per minute, my heartbeat per minute reading. So if you're having those issues, I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and return the watch to get an exchange or to get a refund, whatever way you want to do it. Besides that, it's still a gorgeous watch, and I'm pretty sure if it worked correctly, it'd just be a hands down, all around, well-balanced watch. So the last thing is, I noticed, and again, it could be the charging cradle, that the battery life is horrible. And I've noticed that within the last 2 days, that when I first got it, I was able to use the watch for 2.5 days before I actually had to put it on the charger. And that was being connected to the phone and receiving messages and phone calls and text messages and all that. Now I'm not even really able to get a full day out of it, and that's with it not being connected to a phone at all, because right now the Note 9 is in retirement because I'm using the iPhone XS Max right now. So I never even had the watch connected to a phone, and it still died. So that's just my quick rant on why I'm returning the Galaxy Watch, but I am hopeful to get the new one, and then hopeful that it works correctly. So until next time, peace.